Hello everybody. In the previous video, I discussed about interviews and a very important question asked in the interview. Generally the first question, that is, tell me something about yourself. I specifically mentioned that your answer to this question or to any other question asked in the interview should be very structured. Now, what do I mean by structure? Interview is a professional communication. Just like resume is a professional document. If you see, a resume is always structured. There are two formats of a resume. The first format is functional and the second format is chronological. Depending upon the suitability of a candidate can use a functional resume or can use a chronological resume, because they both have different elements and they both have different structures, and the structure will define what are you able to communicate by not even communicating. So if an interviewer looks at your resume, he will find out, just by looking at it, he will find out whether you are experienced or whether you are fresher. So structure plays a very important role. Today I am going to elaborate on the topic or on the question, tell me something about yourself, and what can be the answer to it. I will give you a model type answer and you can manipulate the answer, you can change the answer according to your need and according to your suitability. Let's begin. The interviewer asked you a question, tell me something about yourself. Good morning, sir. My name is Karan Kumar. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I did my schooling from St. Xavier School. My father, Mr. Vishnu Kumar, is an accountant in a private firm. My mother, she is a primary teacher. In the first year of my graduation, I joined an NGO that worked for orphaned children. There, I used to take classes of the children. There, I realized that willingness to survive, instinct to survive, urge to succeed, and hard work, they are very important to a person. I am a person who believes that hard work and honesty plays a very important role in a man's success. By hard work, I mean efforts that are dedicated towards a particular aim or a purpose, and efforts that are done in keeping time in mind and with proper time management. I have seen my parents working hard, honestly, building up their own life, giving me a chance to do graduation and to sit in front of you. So for me, it would be a great opportunity if I get a chance to utilize my skills, my knowledge in your company. Thank you. Now, this is a model answer to this question. As you might have noticed that I have divided again the whole answer in three parts: the first part, the second part, and the third part. The second part can be replaced with your internship or with any previous experience you have, but you have to make it sure that whatever you have learned from that experience, you have to put that into consideration. You have to put in front of, not only you are putting your whatever you have learned in front of the interviewer, you are also telling him that you are able to realize. In this answer, if you notice, I said that I realized instinct to survive. This means urge to succeed. This means that I am showcasing, I am telling him that these are the qualities on which I believe. In the third part of the question, I have somehow related the hard work and honesty as an inheritance from my parents. I have clearly mentioned that I have seen my parents working hard and honestly to build up a life for themselves. So hard work and honesty is something that I have inherited from my parents. That would definitely give a very good impression on the interviewer, because somewhere down the line we all get inheritance from our parents, and this will create a chord, this will set up a rapport with the interviewer. I hope you find out answers to this question, but remember, you have to have certain keywords, and for freshers, the keywords are always hard work, they are always time management, they are always objectivity, they are always learning, they are always experience, they are always working in team. These are the things freshers should use in the third part of their answer. If you have any questions or queries, kindly put in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, enjoy and stay safe.